All right, so this is the video directions for exploring variation and distribution in the sim. So first we need to open the sim. This sim does take a while to load. Um, so first you have to tell them you're not using an iPad. Log in. All right. I'm gonna let it start to load. All right, so we're gonna open the sim and we're gonna go to the mode Explore Variation. So if you click on the three little lines over here, it should be the automatic one you're in, but here are all the modes. So these are the different things that we're going to be doing in the sim. We're going to go to Explore Variation. All right. So then we're going to complete the missions below. Complete each mission by adjusting the trait level and variation slider. So the whole point of this assignment is that we're learning how to set up different things in the sim. So I'm going to first zoom in into the environment and observe the individual organisms and then write the steps I take to do the mission. So this is your environment. If I zoom in, I can see different things. So this is the thorn palm. This is the plant in this make-believe environment. These are called the australopes. They're the plant eaters. And then this guy is the Carthenon. He eats the australopes. All right, tips. It's not necessary to enter run and analyze to complete these missions. We're not worried about the outcomes. We're just worried about setting it up. So you can turn off organisms that you're not investigating by pressing include the organisms, thorn palms, australopes, carthenons, untoggles. So our first mission is to set up the thorn palm population where all the thorn palms have medium thorns. Okay. So this is where we're looking over here. And it said that we want to mess with the thorn palm. So that's the plant. So I'm going to click on the plant. Notice that the first thing that comes up is the height. Is that what we're messing with? I already forgot. Have medium thorns. So I'm not worried about the height. I need to click down here for the thorn size. So to me, medium is like a 5 out of 10. And I believe it said, so they all have medium thorns. Okay, so now I'm gonna write my steps. So I clicked on a thorn palm. And it's gonna say it's spelled wrong because they're make-believe plants. Then I selected thorn size. And I moved the toggle to 5. Those are the steps I took. Then I would go on to the next one. So the next one, I'm setting up thorn palms, but this time they're all going to have many different thorn sizes. So instead of them all being 5, I'm going to make them have all these other ones. So in that case, I'm going to mess with the variation, and I'm going to move that around to get all different thorn size. Okay, let's go look. I'm not going to type the rest, but I'll look at them with you. Mission 3, we're going to set up the thorn palm population with many short thorn palms, a few medium thorn palms, and no tall. So that one is not on thorn size. I'm going to go back to height, and I'm going to set it up just like it said. All right, and then our last mission that we need to do is we're going to set up the australope population so that it has blue, green, and yellow australopes. So right now I'm in thorn palm. I'm going to go to australope. This is the amount of fur. And then down here is color. So this is the one that we need to mess with so that we have blue, green, and yellow. All right, those are your missions. There is some extra credit missions. These ones I didn't give you a picture, but you're going to, if you want to do it, set up these missions and explain what you did. All right. right, those are your video directions.